How to send money from Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can send money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to send money using Cash App, then all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you just have to make sure to enter the dollar amount that you want to send. So make sure to enter USD here and not Bitcoin, because you might be sending Bitcoin. In that case, if you're talking about money, you have to select your currency here. And then once you've selected your currency, you're going to be on this page where you just need to tap the pay button from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now you might want to allow the Cash App to your permissions and so on, so you can just go ahead and allow the Cash App your permissions. Otherwise, what you can do is simply go ahead and make sure to enter the name of the person that you want to send the money to here. Once you enter the name of the person that you want to send the money to, just tap on the confirm button here, and then you can just add a note to that person. You can send as cash or stock or Bitcoin. Then just tap the pay option from the top right hand side. If you have money in your account, then it'll be successfully sent, but if you don't, then you might want to verify your identity, link your bank account, and then top up money. Just tap on continue and your money will be successfully sent to the other person. That's it on how you can send money on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.